What's up, everybody? How are you? How are you? What is going on today? How are you? Let me welcome. Y'all enjoy this praise and worship while we get everything going here today. Let the church, let the streamers say amen. Let the streamers say amen. How y'all doing today? Man, it's exciting to be here today with you guys. It is Tech Tuesday. Y'all ready for Tech Tuesday? We're going to talk about how to unlock the power of leads. That's what we're talking about today, how to unlock the power of leads. And what you see on the screen there is actually a lead funnel, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. So I want to welcome you all out if this is your first time tuning in. My name is Cathy McReynolds. I'm with Bible Business Academy, and what we do is we help you build your business with biblical principles. We help you learn how to get leads in is one of the things that we do, and we're going to talk about that today. So I'm going to go ahead and jump on over to our topic today, because you know the song coming on, and you know how I get, and we're going to start singing, but we're going to go ahead and get everything going. But let's take a few seconds and just hear the beginning of it, right? Because when that praise hits you, you just got to let it flow, let it go. So as you come on, let me know where you're tuning in from. Are you catching this during the live or the replay? And who's grateful? Who's grateful for what God has done for you? Let me know in the comments. Man, I know I am so grateful. We won. See, I said I should have went, but I didn't. Go on and on and on. Yes. We coming to the lesson, y'all. Sometimes you just can't turn that praise off. You just got to keep it going. Y'all know what I mean? Yes. When you're grateful. Yes. When you're grateful. When you're grateful. All right, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Because y'all already know, we're going to be going. And then an hour later, we'll be in it. All right, y'all. But it's Tech Tuesday. So today we're going to help you solve your lead problems. And we're going to do that with biblical principles and mission marketing principles. And those are the things that we talk about when we come to you Monday through Friday. So hello again, everyone, and welcome out to Tech Tuesday. And today I want to talk to you about a challenge that many people face, in their business. And that's the struggle to get enough leads. So if you have that struggle and getting enough leads and not having enough people to talk to, it can be very frustrating, right? Let me know in the comments if that's you. Throw a 1 in there. If you have something valuable to offer, but if no one sees it, how can it make the difference that it's meant to be, right? Who's going to know about it? It's great. It's helped you. It's helped, maybe some people close to you, maybe someone online, but how can you help the masses? How can you do what God called you to do in a big way? He didn't call us to do anything small, right? He called us to do something big. So I want to start by just sharing a scripture of truth that you got. I just want you to write this, on your heart and just think about that. Proverbs 21:5 says, the plan of the diligent leads surely to abundance. The plan of the diligent leads surely to abundance. So if you're feeling stuck with leads, it doesn't mean your business isn't good enough. It doesn't mean your idea isn't good enough. It doesn't mean it's not working. It simply means that you just need the right plan to guide people to what you offer. And that's the key. Like, there are some businesses that I'm still working on getting that plan in place, right? This one with Bible Business Academy, we get leads all day, every day in this one. using this funnel that some of you probably have seen, but if you haven't, go to BibleBusinessAcademy.com. And this is a simple lead funnel that has been literally working for 3 or 4 years. I have not changed it since then. So when you have something that works, you just keep using it over and over again. I want you guys to think of some of the commercials that are out there. I'm going to date myself on this. But if I say, where's the beef? Right? You got for those of my generation, we know what that is. And if you have something that, and I think that was around for 10 years, Nike, just do it. You know what that is. That's called, those are kind of like lead funnels, but in a commercial that sends you to those companies, send you to Wendy's to buy the beef, right? All beef, what is that? 2 all beef patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions, and sesame seed bun. That's kind of like a lead funnel. Like that was McDonald's from, I don't know, 40, 50 years ago. And I still remember that. That's called a lead funnel because it leads you to take action. It leads you to go buy something. So that gives you an idea of what a lead funnel is. And I'm going to help you and just give you and let you know what that is and how it can help you. So it's just a simple process, y'all. It helps you connect with people who are looking for what you provide. It's the right people. So you see my page here on the free report. If the Bible is not important to you, you come to this page, you're going to leave, right? So it's meant to attract the people that is meant to attract, but it's also meant to repel the people that is meant to repel. Because when you start getting leads and you start paying for the leads and you start nurturing those leads, you want to be talking to people who will eventually buy from you. Some people will be on your list, and and that's the whole key right there, is to build that list. Some people will be on your list forever, right? So you think about this like in the parable of the sower in Matthew 13 and 3 through 9, the farmer scattered seeds, right? But only the seeds that landed on good soil grew into a harvest. So only the seeds that land in your funnel, that's good soil, those are the ones that will lead to a good harvest. And you're going to do that without effort as you grow your business. So you might be wondering, but it seems hard and it seems like nothing is growing. It's not that. It's just that you need a clear path. You just need a direction on how to help people connect with you, how to help people trust you, and how to help people take the next step. And there's other things that you do, like you all see me coming on here, Monday through Friday. We have a theme that we do. We have, like, today is Tech Tuesday, and we're showing people, we're building that trust. We're building those relationships as we go throughout this process to be able to show people that, yeah, she's going to show up for you. She's going to help you. She's going to help you get in the direction because we see her all the time. You become familiar. So some of these things that you do in order to get people to your funnels to make that happen. And then once you know something is working, and then we're going to help you to start like running ads so you can get the masses. Is that making sense to y'all? So let me give you an example of what we're saying here. Like, there was a small business, they built simple 2-step funnels. So this right here is a 1-step funnel that you're seeing on our page. And all it does, as soon as you put your information in there, and you can go to BibleBusinessAcademy.com, stick your information in there. And then once you put your information in that, when I say information, I'm saying your name, these are the things you want to collect from people. Number one is their email. That is the number one thing that you want to connect. And I always say also collect the name, because when you're texting them or when you're sending out emails, it sounds so much more personable when you can utilize someone's name. Now, if you have a high ticket product, you want to also collect their phone numbers. And because most people will spend like maybe $2,000 without talking to you, but anything over that, they want to have a conversation with you. So if you're building an online course or consultant business, you definitely want to always collect those names, because that's going to give you a way to help people and to be able to follow up with them. So funnels. I mean, you got funnels out there that's brought in 185,000 leads just because it wasn't complicated and it was focused and it was effective. This funnel that you're seeing there and what this is, these are the things that we call a funnel. It's just simple, right? You come on here, do you want this free report or not? Like, that's one of the ways that you can give out leads. And we test those. Like, you'll do about 4 or 5 different lead funnels to see which one is working the best for you. The ones that don't, you just turn them off. And it probably will take you, with AI prompting and all of that, it will take maybe an hour, if that, to create this funnel. When I first started, it took days to figure out how to do this stuff, right? So that's the power of having that AI in there and being able to help you do that. So if you're wondering how a funnel solves your problems, I just gave you some of those. And you also may be wondering, why does this work? So I'm going to share that with you. A funnel solves your problem by doing 3 things. So here's the 3 things that it's going to do for you to wrap this all up. It's going to attract the right people. Instead of you trying to reach everyone, it helps you connect with those who actually need what you offer. And when I say this, I always think about when Jesus got all the disciples together and he said, go out, you're going to go out and here's who you're going to talk to. And if they don't respond, shake the dust off and keep it moving, right? And sometimes we try to get everyone to like and to want to be a part of what we do, but it's not meant for everyone. So you just got to remember that you want to attract the right people. And same thing Jesus said, here's who I came for, right? So you got to know who you're called to serve and focus on helping those people, because we are not meant to help everybody. The right people will gravitate towards you. So don't get frustrated when your family or your friends or people that you think should come into your ecosystem and they don't, because they're not meant to, right? So that's the first thing that a lead funnel will do for you. Number 2, it's going to nurture trust. I just talked about that. It isn't just about getting those names. It's about just guiding people step by step and building those relationships along the way. And we talk about, like, kind of me going live here is like a lead funnel. Number 3, it also leads to action. It helps people to take the next step, and whether that's learning more here, signing up, or making a decision to work with you. These are the things that a lead funnel will do for you. And so a lot of people think I need a website. No, the first thing that you need a lead funnel. I want you to think of this as a tool that will work for you day or night. I wake up every single day just about with leads that come. And so imagine if I had to get online and literally go inside, the message box and message people every day. Hey, are you interested in building a business with biblical principles? Like you would, and I've done that. Like I've done that in my career before I understood what a lead funnel will do. And it'll work for you 24/7, day and night, whether you're working or not. And it allows you to focus on the people once they go in to be able to help them. And they'll raise their hand and say, hey, I'm interested. Now your job is to nurture them and keep talking to them and keep helping them. So if you want to get started, if you want to build your lead funnel, that's one of the things that we help you with inside of Genesis Academy, inside the Genesis course. So you can go to BibleBusinessAcademy.com/order, and you can find out more information about the course. So I'll give you guys an example there. I'm here teaching you about lead funnels, and then I'm directing you to a website that will give you information on a course that we have. So that's like that lead funnel, getting you in to where you can get more information, and it will help you to be able to do the things that you need to do. And don't worry about if you don't know how to build a funnel, you're not high tech. Don't worry about any of that stuff, because we will teach you exactly how to do it. We have AI prompts that will show you, like with headlines and subheadlines and all of that stuff, so that you can attract the right people to you and also repel the people that you don't want to talk to. And we're going to also help you with every single resource that you need, not only to build your lead funnels, but to build the other 4 most important funnels that you're going to need. So it's going to be like having that guide, y'all, to create that good soil. So it falls in good soil and help you. And here's the best part. You don't have to overthink it. You don't have to worry about if I can do it. If we need to get on the Zoom and I can say, okay, move there, go there, do this, do that. We're going to give you clear and simple steps on how to make that happen for you. So let me ask you this. If we could do that for you, would that change your business? Would it get your business started? Would it help you with this system in place? Can you imagine how many leads that you can start to get? And you don't have to chase people. You don't have to, worry about, is this going to work for me? And you get to work with the right people. So that's the solution that we want to provide for you. We want to be able to help you change we want to be able to help you change the direction that you're going so that you can create the leads. You can have a clear path for growth and know exactly what you need to do in order to create success. So if you want to make that happen for yourself, just go ahead and join Genesis Academy. We actually, for Black Friday, we're running it now. We already started it. It is 50% off. And just remember, God calls us to be diligent and faithful in our work. So I always say, whether it's with us or with someone else, if you're having challenges, get started. And just as Noah followed God's instructions to build that ark, you can follow this plan to build something that will serve others and also honor him. And that's the whole goal, for us to help you build something that's going to help you live out your calling, do what you were called to do, and also honor God. And that's why I love doing it with biblical principles. It's like, hey, this is my jam. That, I love the Bible, I love business, and we can mix those together. And it's the true calling for me to be able to help people in this way. And then I want to help you with your true calling, whether that's cooking for someone, whether that's teaching them how to jump rope, whether that's teaching them about finances, whatever it is, whatever is your calling, whatever you were put here to do, and however you were put here to help people, we want to help you do that. So if you're struggling with getting leads, if you're struggling with getting your business started, if you just say, man, if I just knew how to do this so I can have clear direction, then you definitely want to start with our lead funnel. Put your information in there, and then it will direct you to the academies, to the books, to all of this stuff to be able to help you. And feel free, y'all, to message us. And if you have questions, or email us, and we're more than happy to be here and answer those for you. So I hope this brought you value today. We appreciate you guys, and enjoy the rest of your day. And tomorrow, y'all, we're going to see you for Wisdom Wednesday. Don't forget, go to BibleBusinessAcademy.com, like, share, and tell us what you want to learn and how we can help you more. All right, y'all. See you later. Have a good day.